In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a background image in Google Sheets. Whether you're working on a personal project or a professional document, making sure that your background image stays in place can add a polished touch to your spreadsheet. So let's dive into this simple yet effective procedure that will ensure your background image remains locked as you work. First, you need to open your browser and go to Google Sheets. You can either open an existing file where you want to lock the background image or create a new sheet if you're starting from scratch. Once you have your Google Sheets file open and ready, the next step involves uploading the background image if you haven't done so already. To insert your image, go up to the menu and click on Insert. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Image over Cells. This choice is important because the image will float above your cells, and you'll later adjust its size and position. After selecting this, you'll be prompted to upload your image from your computer or directly from Google Drive. If you haven't found the perfect image yet, you can also search the web directly through Google Sheets. Once your image is added to the sheet, it's time to adjust it to cover the desired area of your spreadsheet. Click on the image, and you'll see small blue squares around it, which allow you to resize by dragging. Position the image exactly where you'd like it to be your background. Depending on your project's needs, you might want the image to cover the entire spreadsheet or just a specific section. Now here's the trick to locking the image. While Google Sheets doesn't have a specific feature labeled as locking an image, what you can do is create a new drawing over the image. To do this, go to Insert, then Drawing. In the drawing dialog box that appears, you're going to make a rectangle shape that's large enough to cover your image. Set the rectangle's border to none and the fill to transparent so that it's completely invisible over your image. After creating your invisible rectangle, save it and place it over your image. Because the drawing is an object within Google Sheets, clicking on the rectangle will not affect the underlying background image, hence it acts as a lock. This setup ensures that while you're working on your spreadsheet, you won't accidentally select or move your background image. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively have your image locked in place, adding both functionality and visual appeal to your Google Sheets document. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out other guides for more tips and tricks with Google Sheets and happy spreadsheet styling.